family. I am a mocha mom, and today what we are going to be talking about is the 21-day fast. It's the last day, guys. We did it! Woo!
Yeah, we did it. And yes. I am a mocha dad here just to say how proud I am of my wife of doing this fast. So just to let you know, I also fasted too for 21 days, but I didn't do like the 14-day no food fast because because I'm working outside of the home, and I have to. It's been a long time since I worked outside of the home, and I have to get accustomed to how to deal with when you're going on those prolonged fasts. How do you deal with? Sometimes you just need to sit down and not do anything and just get in God's presence. And how do I do that at the office? So working that out still, but I did do a moderate fast. I just fasted like one meal a day, and then I did do like a 4-day, like over the weekend I fasted, and I did a 4-day fast that ended yesterday. But Miss Lovely over here did a 14-day fast. And she's trying to, she's being really humble about it, which is great. But we are just really, proud of what God accomplished through her to make it possible, to be able to, just to keep her heart surrendered to God, our loving Father, and to just allow Father just to work his do his work through her, and did you tell him that you're? Well, anyway, she did a great fast. She did a great fast, and
praise God! All glory goes up to Him.
Yeah. Amen.
Amen. Well, thank you, you guys. Am I out of a job? You guys did a good job. My hair is growing by the minute, you guys. I can't wait to get my full strength back so I could take care of this situation. I might have to do my retwist. It's been a while. I like the full look, but it's a little out of control because I blow dried it until it won't do what I want it to do. Yes. Yes.
So we're gonna say peace out. We're going to let Mocha Mom do her thing and talk to y'all. So, thank you for watching.
Okay, so yesterday I did all the final weight and everything. So, if you want the details of what all of that was, watch yesterday's video. My total weight loss was 22 pounds. Okay, you guys. So, yesterday was a really busy day for me. I had a lot of work to do and I had a lot of running around. This is day 21 I'm reporting on. I had a lot of running around to do with the kids, and so the day went by relatively quickly. I had some cramps, and it really sapped my energy. So when I went to the grocery store to buy what I needed to buy to make the juke, the Korean porridge I'm going to be eating later today, I was feeling a little weak and a little lightheaded. And I know it's all because of my period, because I feel that way when I'm not fasting. And so other than that, the day went really smoothly. I went to bed early. I must have gone to bed like at 7 o'clock. I was out like a light. And I woke up again. It was like Christmas morning because my husband was also breaking his fast after midnight. And so I woke up to him scurrying around in the kitchen, getting his food. He's been fasting. I think he did 1 meal a day during the week. And then he would fast from Friday through the weekend, no meals. And so this time, I think because of Martin Luther King Day, he was able to fast 4 straight days. So that's what he was breaking, which is not as challenging as breaking 7 or more no meals fast. So he was breaking his fast. I came downstairs at like 1:30 in the morning, and he was breaking his fast with some yogurt with pure maple syrup in it and a big green smoothie. And he feels fine. This morning he was having more yogurt and toast, and I think he took himself a curry curry and rice to work for lunch. And so he's bounced back with no problem. I have this huge bowl of grapes to get through. I may not get through the whole thing. I think last year I only did red grapes. This year I felt like doing red and green grapes mixed together for just like a little bit of diversity. And what I did for my first meal is I put it in this little ramekin. See, it fits in the palm of my hand. Okay, let me show you guys. Okay, this is a meal. Okay, I ate this and my stomach felt fine. My stomach felt great. You know, I ate this, you know, slowly. I chatted with my husband and then we went to bed and I slept like a baby. And I woke up this morning and I had another one of these and my stomach feels great. It's been probably like about an hour since I had it. So like maybe in another hour, I'll have another one and work my way. My stomach feels really good. I feel like I could probably eat some juke now if I wanted to. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to just keep eating the grapes until like maybe mid-afternoon and then I'll have the juke. Okay? So thank you guys so much for bearing with me for 21 videos. If you watched all 21 videos, I want to see your comment down below. With you all the way or something. Comment with you all the way, you know, or something like that so I could know that you watched all 21 videos. That's really encouraging. But anyway, this has been wonderful. If I didn't accomplish anything through this series, I hope that I at least accomplished the fact that I'm still kicking. I'm still here. I feel great, you know, and I went 14 days with no meals. And the week before that, it was 1 meal a day. So I hope this encourages you that, you know, if you want to drop a meal for a fast, drop 2 meals for a fast, or fast for an entire day, 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, you can do it, you guys. You can do it. I was encouraged watching Miles Monroe and his church do it for 21 days. And I was able to tell myself, if they can do it for 21 days, I can do it for 14 days. You know what I'm saying? So I really hope this is an encouragement to someone out there. It was so worth it. I was a little bit surprised by a few things. I thought my face would break out way more than it did. But I only had like a few bumps here and there, and for the most part, that's completely gone. I thought I'd be a lot weaker. I thought I'd have to spend more time lying down, but I was fine. I thought my energy would progressively get less, but instead it dipped and then it spiked. I thought that perhaps, you know, I wouldn't be able to make it. But through God's strength, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. I was able to make it. And so that's all I have for you guys. Leave your comments down below. This is my last video in the series. Leave your comments down below. Be blessed.